Hello, in this video we're going to try to solve the 8 minutes showcase from Enjoy AI 2024. So we're going to start on initialize on patrol line. We're going to go for the second task on patrol line, and then we're going to go to the patrol line intersection for my track. All right, this is just two-way tracks. We're gonna move from 30 seconds to 20 seconds, and the time we're gonna do it on 0.5. all right, and then we're gonna go back to patrol line, and we're gonna go to the turn middle left motor speed, and we're gonna modify that one on minus 20 and then 20. all right, we're gonna go back to patrol line, and we're gonna use the patrol line speed, and we're gonna move the patrol line speed from 30 to 15, and then we're gonna go for 0.9 seconds. Now when we just did this one, we're gonna go to motion, and we're gonna go the seventh icon, set motor A, and we're gonna remove from letter A, we're gonna go to the motor C, which is on top of the robot. So we're gonna go on a power of 30, and then we're gonna get the time for 0.2 on this one, and then we're gonna go back to motion, and we're gonna go on the second icon, and we're gonna modify AB forward, and instead of 40 we're gonna use 20, and then on seconds we're gonna go to 0.3. now we're gonna get the seconds 0.3. then we're gonna go for the loops. On the loops we're gonna get the wait. We will need to wait for 3 seconds this time, and after that we're gonna go to the logic. On the left we're gonna use the second icon on the if, and then we're gonna go another if, and inside of the else, and then we're gonna go for the first icon, and we're gonna put it on the second else. It is really important that we have two if and then, and the third one, it's a single one, and we're gonna put it next to the else. all right, so we're gonna go for the sensors, and we're gonna straight to the bottom, and we're gonna go for color sensor, and we're gonna put it on the same, on the first one, and then we're gonna get another color sensor, and we're gonna put on the second one, and another color, not this one, just 1 second, I'm sorry, and then I'm gonna go for the last one, which is color sensor detected on a different color. So just let me put this one on the right place. So there you go. So we're gonna switch this one, the color sensor port, we're gonna go number 10, and then color, I'm gonna use orange because the red one it's not pretty clear. So on the second one we're gonna go to the port 9, and the color I'm gonna choose the cyan color for blue one. all right, this is the bluest color that I can get. So on this one we're gonna go number 10 again, and then this one I'm gonna turn it in white so we can get the white color. So we're gonna go, we're gonna change this one on 10 also. I'm sorry, my bad, I was clicking on 9, but it's okay. Let's go to light speakers, and then we're gonna go to the bottom on this one, and we're gonna get this one, the set LED light ports, and we're gonna put it on the next one, set light ports, and then go to the second one, set light ports again, and go to the third one. We're gonna modify this, and then now we're gonna use number 9 and all of those. So number 9 on the lights port, which is the little screen that turns in different color, and on the color window we're gonna use the orange. Well, I'm gonna put the red one in this. On this one I'm gonna use a cyan, but I'm gonna use the blue one, so get and the white I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so after that we're gonna go to motion, and on motion I'm gonna get the second icon. I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the line, and then I'm gonna modify forward to backwards, and then go 20, and about seconds I'm gonna use 0.6 seconds. Okay, and then we'll go to patrol line again to go back to the base, initialize left motor. I'm gonna modify those, and then I'm gonna use the turn middle, put it on this one, and I'm gonna switch -20, and then I'm gonna use 20 on this one. Go back to patrol line, and I'm gonna use patrol line speed, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna modify it to 20, I think, and 2 seconds. Let me click on this one for 20 in line speed for 2 seconds. All right, I'm gonna go to light speaker. I'm gonna go to the bottom, and I'm gonna choose turn off the LED port at the port number 9. So with this one we got everything ready to go. I'm gonna go on a program name, and this is 8 minutes showcase, and download on the white arrow. That's it. Thank you so much.